from experience, we tried it the other way, and the benefits of taking your time, be really purposeful and intentional, and think about, depending on your context, whether that is a gradual rollout or a more unified rollout. Think about the power of everybody being on the same page and systemness within all those structures. And be prepared that you may have to change and tweak things. And a good example is our calendar. But it was easy to sell that to a very supportive board because of that work. So it wasn't a matter of having to twist an arm. It was a matter of, look, we know this is going to make a difference. And it's not just because one school is doing it. You can change the calendar because this will benefit the whole school, or the resources that are being spent on this. If you're worried about, the cost and the implementation pieces, it's easy to talk about the return of the investment, whether that's in people's time or in other kind of resources, because you're creating something unified. We've all tried the other approach, and there's times where that is maybe the best decision. But I think if you're really looking at something in terms of collaborative response, to me, collaboration means collaborative for everyone, not pockets of collaboration, because you're still back to where you were before, as you have some really great supports and practices happening, and other students who aren't able to benefit